Tell them this, it's not supposed to happen. But this man, 25, 35 man, hear me man. You said enough man pouring done. If you not no gal inna the crew, then the crew can't run. The bagger man pouring done. If you not no gal inna the crew, watch you. When me and me gal them party alone, whether you know the club or we a party at home, my thing royal, so me draw from the crown. Cause we have all over east, over west, over north, over south. And we party alone, whether you know the club or we a party at home, my thing royal, so me draw from the crown. Cause we have all over east, over west, over north, over south. But cool yet, me a gal conqueror. Tell your gal fi stand up from that tanker, yeah. Me nothing, me a no vampire. She a rasta, ready fi bonfire. Something bust loud, like gunfire. Pacha tell me pull up a da bumpire. When me move a smoke like gun tire, gal. What me a self-free take that load. When me a big gal, them party alone. Whether you know the club or we a party at home, my thing royal, so me draw from the crown. Cause we have all over east, over west, over north, over south. And we party alone. Whether you know the club or we a party at home, my thing royal, so me draw from the crown. Cause we have all over east, over west, over north, over south. Cleaning on me Jeep, you know me cruising down the highway. Enough of them boy a talk about girl, but all the girls come my way. I am not Simon, but them do what I say. The way the doctor fly me turn on Friday in a fly day. Love the girl them mother, we not never go the byway. Go ask CG, me son a name PJ. Man a DJ, from born me live the real way. Give the girls my body like a 4x8 when me and the girl them party alone, whether you know the club or we a party at home, my thing royal, so me draw from the crown. Cause we have all over east, over west, over north, over south. And we party alone, whether you know the club or we a party at home, my thing royal, so me draw from the crown. Cause we have all over east, over west, over north, over south. But full yet, me a gal conqueror. Tell your gal fi stand up from that tanker, yeah.